just go and go. Just go and book your appointment because online booking is open. Welcome back to Volume Life Salon Studio. It feels so good to be able to say that. I am so excited to be back into the salon. If you guys do not know, Louisiana has been moved into phase 1, so that means that barbershops and salons can reopen. Of course, we have some new guidelines, but I am a-okay with that. I am a-okay with that as long as I can get back in the salon and start creating, which I do start this week, and I'm so super excited. So for this week's video, I wanted to share with you guys a salon tour. If you have not been to Volume Life Salon Studio before, I wanted to let you guys see what my space looks like. If you just so happen to be a beauty industry professional, you know that there have been a few changes all over the US with the beauty industry and how we move and how we function. So some stylists will not be able to freelance as often. Some places are not allowing you to go into people's homes, or people have in-home salons. With that being said, you may be a person who is wondering what's your next step, or maybe you're ready to step out there and open your own space and you're curious about what it looks like to maybe have something that will be small enough just for you to service your guests, or maybe you are a potential client and you just want to see how we be doing and how we be looking up in here. Which either way, I hope you guys enjoy the salon tour. There are going to be some few changes coming in the near future, but I wanted to share with you guys what the salon looks like now. I cannot wait to see you guys behind the chair. Enjoy. Volume Life Salon Studio is a boutique salon. That's a small salon that offers personalized services by appointment only. The entire front area is dedicated to welcoming the guests and also making sure that when each guest leaves, they have everything they need. Books and magazines are right in the waiting area for any guests who may arrive a little bit early to their appointment and they might want a little entertainment. If you guys follow the salon on Facebook or Instagram, you know that I am a Paul Mitchell focused salon. I love quality products. Yes, I'm an oven girl. I do use the Marcel oven and Marcel's. A little cute setup for my brushes and things that I use to cut hair. It makes it super easy to access. This little top part is for when I'm using combs or if I need to just put something down really quick. And the rest of these drawers in this station just has all my tools. This is where I put everything after I sanitize them, all nice and neat and just organized. Again, I'm a little bit of a minimalist, so as many cords as I can hide, the better. Now this area changed the hair dryer game for me and my guests. They actually finally love sitting under the dryer now because it's so comfortable. I also have a coffee bar area that I serve tea, coffee, anything that you want warmed in this area, but I did have to take it down, hopefully temporarily, due to COVID. But yeah, I did not want to take it out the video because it is a space that my clients enjoy, and it's one of the amenities that I enjoy having for my guests. Now over to the wash house area. This is where I hold some of my treatments that I offer to my guests for hair health. right here next to the shampoo bowl area. That way when my guests need a treatment right after their relaxing shampoo, they can just sit up and I can apply the treatment and walk them right over to the comfortable couch. And that's why my guests be asleep. Here we have the legendary black and white ebony wall. This is everybody's favorite space in the salon, and it's actually sparked a lot of dialogue. So what y'all think? Cute, right? I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I think that is a beautiful place. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to this video. I'm going to be doing more videos about, you know, my story, my background, how I got started, how to start a business, how I got my business started, how long it take me to build this, because this ain't look nothing like that here. Oh no, it wasn't no shampoo bottle in here, it wasn't no walls in here, it wasn't no office here, it wasn't no dryer, it wasn't, everything was completely redone for me to make this space my own. If you guys are interested in seeing that or interested in just business information or anything like that, I'm definitely going to be doing more videos on that, so make sure you guys subscribe and hit the little cute little bell so you can get all the notifications. Thank you guys for coming into my space. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you on the next video.